Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Cusp Adventurous. Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Soundcore Motion Boom. Alright, before we get into this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I do be posting nice content over there. Check me out.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
And for the YouTube algorithm, watch this video all the way through and leave it a like. Much appreciated. Alright, let's get into the packaging. Alright, we got the packaging of the Soundcore Motion Boom right here. Extreme outdoor sound. 24-hour playtime, IPX7, customizable EQ, bass up technology, IQ, Bluetooth. Very nice. Got some more specs on the back. It says we got fully waterproof and buoyant, so it can float in water. Alright, let's open the box. Alright. We got the speaker right here in this little bag. How do we sound? What is this? Quick start guide and manual. Very nice. And we have a USB-C charging cable. Taking these things out. Very nice. Alright, so this is a pretty decent sized speaker from Anchor, and it's from their Soundcore line. So like you have the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros. These are their speakers to accompany those earbuds in the line. This thing is fully waterproof with IPX7 water resistance. It has 24 hours of playtime, like continuous playtime of audio. It has a titanium driver and dual passive radiators. To be honest, I don't really know what dual passive radiators mean, but it sounds cool, so it's gotta be good. I don't know. I'm just hoping one of you guys understands what that means. Yeah, it has bass up technology, it charges with USB Type-C, and it costs around $90 US. Alright, so those are all of our specs. Let's get into the real review here. It has a pretty large handle that makes it easier for carrying, and it's really secure. It's got this thick flap on the back to protect the ports from water. There's a little attachment piece so that the port thing doesn't fall off. The ports that it hides are USB-C and a regular USB port. The whole body is pretty much made of plastic and rubber. There are 7 buttons on the body. We're going from left to right. On the left is the bass up button, which is pretty much a button that makes it so the bass just gets that extra, But if you turn that off, it makes it just sound a little bit more normal. In my opinion, I would keep the bass up feature on. It sounds very nice. Next to that is the Bluetooth button. It's used for pairing the device via Bluetooth. The next buttons are the volume buttons, and in the middle of that is a Soundcore logo, which serves as like a pause button. These do have extra functions. You can single press the Soundcore button to pause, double click to skip a song, and triple click to go to the previous song. And if you're getting a call, you can click and hold for 2 seconds to answer that call on the speaker. But if you're just like clicking and holding without getting a call, it will go to Siri or your voice assistant. So Google Assistant, Alexa, I don't freaking know these days. Then next to that is the power button, to turn on and off the speaker. Next to that is the TWS pairing button. There are some solid rubber nubs on the bottom for solid grip, so they can stay pretty well if you're putting them on a slant or something. You can also set the speaker up in a vertical fashion, has little ridges to make it so it sits straight and won't fall over. On each end is a subwoofer, so you can go tap it with your finger and it's like, and it kind of goes nuts when you're playing it, pretty sick. And if it's in water, it looks pretty cool too. Alright, well, sorry if the audio is bad. I'm just using the camera audio, but alright, now we're gonna test if it's buoyant and how waterproof it is. Let's just try it out. Whoa, it is fully buoyant. Nice. Wow. Alright, let's play music and see how it does with that. What the heck? Nice. Oh. So it floats downward. Well, that confirms that. It definitely does float, and it's definitely waterproof. Crown speaker! Woo! That was epic. As for the audio quality, in my opinion, I think the audio quality is pretty good. It's not the best I've ever seen, and this is because the volume, it is pretty loud, but I do wish it could be just a little bit louder. For its size, I feel like competing speakers are just a little bit louder. They may not sound as good, but they're just a little bit louder, which kind of makes a difference when you have an outdoor speaker, because that's one of the main things that you worry about the most is the volume. That's why you have a massive speaker. I would say that the bass on this thing is delicious, and the bass up feature is just I actually really like it. The bass on all the Soundcore like devices that I've listened to is just, it's beautiful. I like it a lot, and I recommend if you really like bass. It also does all pair into the Soundcore app. Alright, so now we're in the Soundcore app, and so this is what it looks like. Got the Soundcore Motion Boom right there. You get volume, and you can adjust the equalizer. So you can pretty much adjust voice, treble boost, balance. There's even bass boost. There's lots of options that you got. My favorite is the Soundcore Signature. It's bass heavy, and it just sounds nice. And overall, this is the software you get. Shows our battery too. Pretty simple, but a lot nicer than a lot of other speakers that don't even have the app. So it's kind of nice to have. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out this product, the links will be in the description. Be sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. I love you. Hope you have an amazing day. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.